840 definition of institution of air. So when you say institution of air, or that air is called instituted air, so dito ra siya sa free portion ha. You cannot institute a compulsory air kay automatic na siya sa balaod nga na makaangkon sa iyang legitimate compulsory air. So ang institution of air is possible only if the testator gives away the free portion of the estate. Okay, free portion lang na siya. So it should not affect the legitimate. It should not impair the legitimate of the compulsory heir. So and there should be no preterition. In effect, anang preterition would be the institution of the heir would be annulled, as if there is no institution of heir. And take note that the institution must be effective, so there is no predecease. Okay, take note, if the instituted heir predeceased the testator, then there is no right of representation in such case. So the heirs of that instituted heir cannot inherit in case that instituted heir predeceased or repudiated, or in case even of incapacity. So RIP, repudiated, incapacitated heir, or heir who dies before or predeceased the testator, then there is no effective institution of heir there. So there is no valid institution in case of RIP. Repudiation, incapacity of the heir. Yes, it does not have the capacity to inherit, and predeceased. So institution being a voluntary act cannot be allowed to affect the legitimate. So voluntary act rin siya, so it should not affect the legitimate, kay that is reserved for the compulsory heir. And in general, the provisions on institution are applicable. So institution of heir in general, kanisa would apply to devices and legacies. So but in the case of preterition, so the annulment of the institution of the heir would not affect the devices and legacies.